If you are accused of a crime here in Florida, you are going to get a piece of paper in the mail and it is going to say, show up for an arraignment. And you are going to wonder, if you've never been in trouble before, what the heck is an arraignment? I get that. My name's John Guidry. I'm a defense attorney here in Orlando. I've been doing this for over 30 years. I'm going to tell you what an arraignment is. It is your first court date, right? And your first court date, they are required by law at the arraignment to do 3 things and only 3 things. It's pretty simple. Number 1, they have to tell you what your charges are. Either the clerk will read the charges, the judge will read the charges, or the prosecutor will read the charges. Any one of those 3 people can tell you what the charges are. Number 2, they're going to tell you that you have a right to an attorney. Because if you show up for an arraignment, everybody in the room knows you don't have an attorney, because we attorneys always waive, or most of the time waive your arraignment. We are legally allowed to simply cancel that hearing for you, because the whole idea of this thing is to inform you of what you're charged with. And I think most of you know what you're charged with, but I think there are a few surprises that come in arraignment too. The third right that you have is you have the right to plead. They're going to ask you, how do you want to plead to this? Now, please folks, if you've learned anything from all these videos, it is don't admit to anything without consulting with an attorney, okay? If you're in an arraignment without an attorney, the judge is always, by law, going to ask you, how do you plead? Everybody pleads not guilty. Some people that don't know what they're doing are going to plead guilty to the charge right there without consulting an attorney. And I'm like a barber telling you, you need a haircut. You need an attorney before you go enter in a plea, okay? Those are the 3 things that happen at an arraignment. It is the easiest court date you're going to have, because the rest of them are not going to be easy. But hopefully when you get an attorney involved, you won't ever go to court. Hopefully your attorney will cancel your arraignment. I cancel all my clients' arraignments, and you'll just move on and let your attorney do the work. And if something like this happened to you in Central Florida, well, I'm sorry to hear that, but guess what? This is what I do here in Central Florida for over 30 years. Give my office a call. I'd love to help you out. I'm sure we can. If you're just watching because you like to learn, I like to learn. I watch other people's stuff, learn things. I hope that you'll at least subscribe, give us a little heart, give us a little thumbs up, follow us, do something that would help us out. And I thank you for watching. Take care.